Hey everybody, Dan Gorfinkle with eXp Realty, bringing you my best stuff week in and week out. Helped hundreds upon hundreds of people buy properties, sell properties, all in and around the greater Boston area for the most part. So typically sell about 40 homes a year. I'm in 30 different locations, whether it's right in the city of Boston, whether it's on the outskirting towns. Definitely reach out to me whenever you need anything as far as buying or selling. This session, I'm going to kind of go over staging your property, certain things that you want to do so that you make sure you're photo ready when it comes time to listing your property. I've got an upcoming client that's going to be listing in the fall, and what we're going to do is basically have the photographer come out. I always tell people less is more. Make sure you get rid of anything you're not using on a regular basis. Minimalist is the mentality that you should have. So what we're going to do, photograph pretty much everything in their home, get the floor plans going. From there, after that's been done, a few months later, they're going to move out, and then we're going to have the place is going to be actually empty. So we've staged it for the purpose of the photos so that when we go online, it looks fully furnished. We got the floor plans going, and then they're effectively out of the property, and it's fine because what happens is people walk through a vacant property, but they're always going to revert back to the photos for that indelible image as to how that property looks when it's fully lived in, when it's fully staged, so to speak. So the beauty is they don't have to be living there during the course of the time their home is being sold. We're going to have things looking perfect, photo ready. And in my viewpoint, that's kind of staging for a home that's really going to be vacant in the near term. On the flip side, you can't always pull it off that way. Sometimes you're obviously living in the home while you're having it sold. So any areas that look extra sparse, I'm able to kind of give you the best intel by, I've got a great stager, so come by, talk you through the process in terms of what wall art you should have, what certain furniture you should have going, and how to kind of move things around to optimize visually the space. So you want to make sure that you're not just going in cold, and you're not just like throwing up really cheap photographs. You want to have things professionally done. That's how my team and I always do it. You want to have floor plans. You want to make sure that everything is staged to the point of whoever buys that property, they're looking at your home as an investment. You look at it as your home, they're looking at it as an investment. Two totally different things. So staging is ultra critical. I can help get you there whenever the time is right. Dan Gorfinkle, 617-820-8085. See you soon.